Hi everyone, I'm Margot McKinnon, founder of Body Harmonics, and today I've got a standing series based on the lunge. Super functional because it builds strength all around the hips, right down through the legs to the feet. Okay, so I'm going to get into position here. Your legs may be longer, shorter, probably longer than mine. Okay, so you position it so it feels like you've got a really good split stance and you feel stable on your feet. It's actually easier for balance if you've got your heel up. Okay, so I'd prefer that you put your hand on something if you feel a little bit wobbly, than put your heel down on the ground. Okay, so there's where we are going to start. I've got my hands around my hips here just so you can see, but you put your hands wherever they're comfortable. All right, so first thing here that we're going to do is just turn the upper body a little bit around to one side, and you'll notice I'm not turning my hips here. They're staying still, it's just my upper body, and then I turn the other way. And I don't turn my hips, okay, or my pelvis. So turning upper body one way, and then coming back, turning the other way. And don't be surprised if you feel really wobbly here. Okay, it's definitely a challenge for your balance. See if you can feel the buttock muscles working on the forward leg side and back to center. So hold there, press your forward heel into the ground, and now we're going to try a more traditional version of a lunge where you start to bend the back knee. You can make it small, and if you want to go all the way down to the ground, you can. Okay. And I'm going to have you go kind of slow here, really control the motion down, control it up, control it down and up. Down again, I'm going to hold you. Wherever the bottom is for you, press the forward heel into the ground and up. And one more down and up. Now, keep the weight on that forward foot. You're going to step, do a squat, little squat. I have my knees going a little bit forward here. Then up a little bit, step back. And you're going to wobble here for sure, okay? Because the real part of this is balance. Shifting, stepping, squat, and up. Shifting, stepping, and holding. Shifting, stepping, squat. Up again a little bit. Shift, step, and hold. One more time. So the little shift, step into the squat, and up, step back, and hold. Okay, one more here. So you're going to shift, step, down in a squat, up a little bit, step back, bend the back knee, bending, 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 and up. Shift again, step, whoop, there I go. Little squat, up, shift to step back, and bend the back knee. And up. Last one. Shifting, stepping, squat, and up. Shifting and stepping back. Bending the back knee. We're going to hold right there. Release the back foot. Step a little forward. Arms. Whoa, make a big arc up. Look up a little bit, and then down, and one more time, big arm arc, and all the way down. All right, come on up to stand. We switch sides now. So other foot goes back. Okay, heel is up. Tiny little bit of a lean, and you got your hips square here. Turning, turning, and then back to the middle. Get ready for the wobble as you turn the other way. And back, whoa, to center. Turning again. Just the upper body. And this is probably the hardest part, going toward the long leg. And center, one more. Turning. Center, turning toward the back leg, and center. Okay, now the more traditional, here we go. Starting to bend the back knee. You decide how far, shouldn't hurt your knee at all. And then up. And again, going down with control, bending, bending, whoo, and up. Bend again, going down and up. And last one, balancing here, bending, back knee, and up. All right, now we shift, step, little squat, up, shifting to step, back. And again, little shift to step, squat, up, shift to step back. Again, a little shift and step, squat, up again, and stepping back. Last one in this series, little shift and step, squat, up, and step back. Okay, last one here, get ready. Shifting and stepping. Squat down and up. Shifting to step back. Bend the back knee, and again, you decide how far. And up. Little shift, step, squat down, up, and back. Bending that back knee, and up. All right, again, little step, squat down, up, and back. We're going to lower the back knee down now. Lower it, lower it, lower it, and hold there. Release your foot. Take a little step forward with the forward foot. And a big arm arc here. All the way up, a little bit of an arch at the top. And back down. One more time. Maybe even take a big breath here. Big breath. And all the way down. Okay, that's it. There's for your hips, your legs. I'm sweating again. I hope you feel good. I hope you worked hard. And if you liked what you saw, please share and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.